Oh, hello there, future Bryan Bears. I'm Dr. Ronnie Ortega, and I'm the proud principal at Bryan High School. I'm excited to tell you more about why Bryan High School is the place to be. Don't tell anybody else this, but we are the best kept secret in the Omaha Public Schools. At Bryan High School, we are committed to provide all students with rigorous and relevant educational experience. We have two college and career academies with urban agriculture and transportation distribution and logistics, and we are looking to expand and create additional college and career academies very soon. There are about 1,800 bears roaming in bear country. After high school, our graduates continue their education at four-year colleges and universities, community colleges, technical institutions, the military, or apprenticeship programs as they translate their success here to their own individual academic, career, and life goals. Although we are the smallest square footage high school in OPS, we pack a lot of pride in our school, and our students have access to all of the facilities that they possibly need. We have a softball field, a baseball field, a football stadium, and much more right here on our picturesque campus. To learn more about Bryan High School, join me for our virtual open house on January 7th from 6 to 8 p.m. I can't wait to see you in Bear Country. I'm Dr. Ronnie Ortega, and I approve of this message.